Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable alerts in Google Analytics, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open Google Analytics and log in to your account. Navigate to the admin section, which is located at the bottom of the left-hand sidebar. In the admin section, ensure you have the correct account selected. Next, find the property for which you want to disable alerts. Click on the Property Settings option under the Property column. Scroll down to find the Alerts option. Click on Custom Alerts to access your existing alerts. You will see a list of all the custom alerts that have been created for this property. Locate the alert that you wish to disable. Click on the alert name to view its details. In the alert details, look for the option to disable it. Toggle the alert to the off position or click on the delete option, depending on your preference. Confirm any prompts that appear to finalize the disabling or deletion of the alert. Once you've made your changes, return to the main alerts page to ensure the alert is no longer active. If you need to disable additional alerts, repeat these previous steps for each one. Finally, exit the admin section and return to your Google Analytics dashboard. You have successfully disabled alerts in Google Analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.